Hey, team, welcome back to the channel. I'm Solen, and I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on my latest tips and tricks for fitness, training, and nutrition. This channel is all about helping you achieve your fitness goals and live a healthier, more balanced life, no matter where you're starting from. Now, today we're diving into something that's essential for your overall well-being: nutrition. I know that reaching your fitness goals goes beyond just working out. It's about fueling your body with the right foods, too. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, nutrition plays a key role. That's why I've put together a daily meal plan for a healthy lifestyle that's packed with all the essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. In this video, we'll be talking about easy, delicious, and nourishing meals that you can incorporate into your daily routine to support your fitness journey. And don't worry, this plan isn't about depriving yourself or eating bland food. We're focusing on balanced meals that taste amazing, keep you full, and most importantly, fuel your body with the nutrition it needs. So, if you're ready to kickstart or improve your healthy eating habits and take your fitness goals to the next level, stick around. I've got some great meal ideas lined up for you, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start eating better and feeling your best. Let's jump in. Breakfast. Energizing start. We all know breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. It sets the tone for your energy levels and metabolism, so it's essential to start your day with a meal that will nourish you. For this meal plan, we're kicking off the day with a protein-packed smoothie. Here's what you'll need. 1 scoop of protein powder, your choice of plant-based or whey. 2. 1 cup of almond milk, or any other milk of your choice. 3. 1/2 banana. 4. 1/2 cup of spinach, for added nutrients. 5. 1 tablespoon of almond butter, healthy fats. 6. 1/2 cup of oats, for complex carbs and fiber. Blend all these ingredients together, and you've got a smoothie that's loaded with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full and energized. This breakfast is quick, easy to make, and perfect for those busy mornings when you need something nutritious on the go. Mid-morning snack. Healthy and satisfying. After a couple of hours, it's time for a snack to keep your metabolism running smoothly and to prevent those hunger cravings. For your mid-morning snack, go for a handful of mixed nuts. You can use almonds, walnuts, cashews, whatever you like. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which will help curb your hunger and provide steady energy until lunch. To make it even better, pair the nuts with a small serving of Greek yogurt, unsweetened, to add a bit of creaminess and an extra dose of protein. Greek yogurt is also a great source of probiotics, which support your gut health. This snack is super easy and quick, yet it keeps you satisfied and nourished. Lunch. Balanced and filling. Now, for lunch, we want something that's not only nutritious but also filling to keep you energized throughout the afternoon. A great option is a grilled chicken salad. Here's how to build it. 1 grilled chicken breast, or another protein of your choice like turkey or tofu. 2 cups of mixed greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula. 3. 1/2 avocado, healthy fats. 4. 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes. 5. 1/4 cup of shredded carrots. 6. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, for dressing. 7. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Toss everything together and drizzle with the olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a simple yet delicious dressing. This meal is packed with lean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that will help you stay full and satisfied. If you prefer a vegan version, you can swap the chicken for chickpeas or grilled tempeh to keep it plant-based. You can also experiment with different vegetables to mix things up based on what you like. Afternoon snack. Light and refreshing. In the afternoon, it's common to feel your energy dip a little, so a light snack can help boost your energy levels and keep you from overeating at dinner. Try a sliced apple with almond butter. The apple provides natural sugars for a quick energy boost, while the almond butter adds healthy fats and protein to keep you full longer. This snack is refreshing and light, yet it provides the perfect balance of nutrients to keep you going until dinner. If you're looking for a bit more protein, You can swap the almond butter for peanut butter or add a small handful of pumpkin seeds. Dinner. Lean and nutritious. For dinner, it's important to keep things light yet satisfying. After a full day of eating and working out, you want a meal that helps your body recover and replenishes energy without weighing you down. That's why I recommend a grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health and can also help reduce inflammation in your body after a workout. It's high in protein and healthy fats, making it perfect for muscle recovery and keeping you full through the evening. Pairing it with roasted vegetables adds fiber and essential vitamins, while quinoa provides a complete protein source, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain or build lean muscle. To prepare, simply season your salmon with lemon, garlic, and a bit of olive oil, then grill it until it's tender and flaky. Roast a mix of your favorite vegetables, think zucchini, bell peppers, and broccoli, with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper until they're crisp tender. Prepare your quinoa by simmering it in water or low-sodium broth for added flavor, and you've got a healthy, delicious dinner that supports your fitness goals while satisfying your taste buds. Why it's great for your goals. 1. Salmon is packed with healthy fats and protein, helping you build muscle while reducing inflammation. 2. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that provides the amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. 3. Roasted vegetables are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that help your body recover after a day of activity. This dinner not only delivers on taste but also fuels your body for optimal recovery overnight. It's a balanced meal that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized without the heaviness that some larger meals might bring. Evening snack. Light and sleep-friendly. To round off your day, I recommend a light, protein-rich snack that will support muscle repair and help you wind down. A great option is a small serving of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, which is slow digesting and great for overnight muscle recovery. Pair it with some berries or a handful of almonds for added antioxidants and healthy fats. And that's it, team. You've now got a complete daily meal plan for a healthy lifestyle that will help you feel energized, stay on track with your fitness goals, and nourish your body the right way. Remember, living a healthy lifestyle isn't about perfection, it's about consistency and making better choices each day. And this meal plan is designed to be realistic and sustainable, so you can easily incorporate these meals into your routine without feeling overwhelmed. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive, it's about finding a balance that works for you and keeps you feeling great. If you enjoyed today's video and meal plan, please make sure to hit that like button, and share it with someone who could benefit from it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips, meal plans, and motivation to help you stay on track with your health and fitness journey. You won't want to miss the amazing content I have planned for the future.